Lamphang ka yung dorbar ka jila Thomas is sangma hakapratrik nailur ula Pdiang ya ka jingiehnoh kam jong sembut Lamphang Deputy Speaker Timothy di Shira. Namar ka ni Thomas ula khot plong ya ka jingelang ka bakirki jong ka Business Advisory Committee BAC kabala shim ya ka rai ba ya ka election na kabenta ka syuki sembut Lamphang bathamai kan long ha ka khat artrik nailur. Ngalayo Pdiang ya ka jingiehnoh kam na sembut Lamphang Timothy di Shira bat ngala Pdiang ya ka bat ngala khot plong mardor ya ka jingelang jong ka BAC ban chim rai bat penbet thama ya ka calendar jong ka ni ka dorbar sen rai kenang bangin la ban jit ya sembut Lamphang bathamai ka BAC kala rai ba ya ka ni ka election anlong ha ka sikut jong ka dorbar sen rai ong Lamphang habakran Syllad pathai khobor habakali ya ka daw halendet jong ka ni ka jingiehnoh kam bakendet jong Timothy Lamphang ula kado ba Timothy ula pentip syau ba ula yo ya ka jing betha na ka high committee jong ka party ban hiar syuki na kalyang Lamphang ula kentat ban kentho syu ha ka bay dei bat ka ni ka kam da ka ba ong ba ka syong ha ka ra jong kidong yalam ka party ban shim ra ya no kin jit na ka benta ka ni ka kam sembut Lamphang.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore. Remember once more.
This morning, I have received the letter of resignation from the Deputy Speaker, Honorable Deputy Speaker, and accordingly I have accepted it. And immediately I have called for an emergent meeting of the BAC, Business Advisory Committee, to decide and review the calendar of this ongoing autumn session as to when we can take the time to elect the new Deputy Speaker. So we had accordingly sat down, the BAC had said, and we have decided that we will go, the election of a new Deputy Speaker will take place on the last day of the autumn session. He has said I'm resigning because I was told that he has received from the party high command that he should step down. That's all. That's what he had told me. That is for maybe the party, religious party, to decide on that.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.